Good morning children, how are you all? I hope all are fine in home and be safe in home. Dear children, welcome to all for literature in English class. So as you know, in the last class, I have did a beautiful story about the curious baby elephant. So in this class, that lesson is I am going to continue. So when I am reading, you have to listen it carefully. And you can keep your fingers on the line and you can repeat it when I am reading time. So dear children, let us start now. So now I am going to start, listen it carefully. Go to the green crispy Limpopo river, she said. You will find your answer there. So off he went, carrying a load of bananas and sugarcane and melons. He had been hungry on the way. You see, after a week of trudging and budging, he reached where he had to reach at the edge of the river. He stepped on what he thought was a log of wood. He winked one eye. Excuse me, but have you seen a crocodile in these parts? Asked the elephant's child politely. The creature winked the other eye and half lifted his tail out of the mud. I am the crocodile, he said. The elephant's child grew excited and knelt down. I have been looking for you all these days, he said. Will you please tell me what you have for dinner? Splash! Went the crocodile's tail back into the oozy mud. Come nearer, little one. Come nearer and I will whisper, said the crocodile. The elephant's child put his head down close to the crocodile's tusky mouth and the crocodile caught him by his little nose. I think, said the crocodile, and he said it between his teeth like this. I think today I will begin with you, elephant's child. The elephant's child knew he was in big trouble. He sat back on his haunches and he pulled and pulled. The crocodile smashed in the water and pulled. So this is a story. So now I am going to summarize. Just you have to listen. Go to the green grassy Limpopo river, she said. So Limpopo river is, so they told for elephant, go to near the Limpopo river. So Limpopo river is in the Africa. So not in our in north. So Limpopo river, she said, you will find your answer there. So you can go and ask these questions there. So you will get the answer. So off he were carrying a load of bananas and sugarcane and melons. So when elephant started to go, he's carrying bananas and sugarcane and melons, means watermelons, everything. He had been hungry on the way. So when a small elephant when he's on the way, he was too hungry. So what he did? On the way, you see, after a week of trudging and budging. Trudging means walking slowly and heavily because of tiredness. When small elephants started to walk, do you know big elephants are walking more? No, they are just moving from one place to the another with a slow walk. So same thing. But in this, when small elephant started to walk, he was too much hungry. After a week and trudging and budging means moving from one place to the another. So he was full tired. So he reached where he had to reach. So he asked, where is Limpopo river? So that place small baby elephant reached. At the edge of there, he stepped on what he caught for a log of wood. So when this small elephant going in that place, he saw a log of wood, means big one that was there. It winked one eye. Is so suddenly like this, is looking differently. Excuse me, but you have seen a crocodile in these parts? So he asked with that a log of food. They asked. So excuse me. So when you want to speak with any person, how we will ask same thing. Excuse me, can you help? So same thing, elephant asking. Excuse me, but you have seen a crocodile in these parts? Did you see in these parts anywhere crocodile? So what they replied? Ask the elephant's child politely. So when he asked, is asked with small child with a politely. The creature winkled the other eye and half lifted his tail out of the mud. So that boy told, so you can look at there, the wink the other eye. So looking there and telling, so you can see there the crocodile is tail out of the mud. Tail is out of the mud. Maybe it is there. I am the crocodile, he said. Then when crocodile came out, crocodile is telling, I am the crocodile, he said. The elephant's child grew excited. So the elephant asked, the small child elephants asked, so where is the crocodile? So when suddenly the elephant the crocodile, only small crocodile told, I am the crocodile. He said, the elephant's child grew excited and kneeled down. So when he saw the crocodile, what baby elephant did? Is kneel down near to the crocodile. I have been looking for you all these days, he said. So I have been looking. So many days onwards, I am looking you. Will you please tell me what you have for dinner? So elephant started to ask. So will you tell me what you have to eat for dinner? Flash, when the crocodile's tail back into the oozy mud, means where the oozy mud is there, no, that place crocodile's tail went back. Come nearer, little one. So yeah, he went inside full and he's telling, come near, little one, come nearer and I will whisper. Come little more near to me, I will tell you, said the crocodile. The elephant's child put his head down close to the crocodile's musky tusky mouth. So you can see the mouth is red color, no? So near to that, the child elephant's head down close to the musky tusky mouth. Near mouth he went and he sat there. And the crocodile caught him by his little nose. So crocodile went and catch that elephant's nose. I think, said the crocodile, and he said it between his teeth like this. And I think today I will begin with you. So when crocodile catch that little one's nose, then crocodile started to catch near to between his teeth, and he said, today I will begin with you, elephant's child. He told, I will start telling, just you listen it. The elephant's child knew he was in a big trouble. So elephants thought, oh, he catch me. How I can go from this? So suddenly elephant thought, I am in a big trouble. He sat back on his haunches where he was sitting. Haunches means the back portion of the body. So he pulled his body there and he was sitting. And he pulled and pulled. Again continuously he started to pull. The crocodile smashed in the water and pulled and pulled. When elephants pulled his body back, then suddenly crocodile went inside the water. So he also again cannot come. So this is the half story of this lesson. So remaining half chapter will be in the next class. Thank you children. Have a nice day.